Meet Yisheng. His story proves that nothing can stand in the way of success. When Yisheng first thought about forklift training, he was eager to learn, but there was one thing holding him back: his English. He worried he might not be able to follow along or keep up in class. That fear almost stopped him from taking the next step, but then he heard from friends who trained at WorkSafe Training. They told him the instructors make learning simple, no matter your background or language level. That gave Yisheng the confidence to try. From the moment he walked through our doors, he felt supported. The staff welcomed him, the process was clear, and his instructor guided him step by step. With patience, encouragement, and hands-on practice, Yisheng's confidence grew every single day. Today, Yisheng is officially certified as a counterbalance forklift operator. He's proud of his accomplishment, excited for new job opportunities, and ready to build a brighter future for himself. At WorkSafe Training, we believe no one should be held back by language barriers or fear. With the right support, anyone can succeed, just like Yisheng. And your story could be next.
Are you ready to take the first step? Visit us online or call now. WorkSafe Training, your leaders in forklift training.